Kapatid. Dito naman tayo. Pangalan si Vicky sa magkakapatid. Sino po sa Asia?
Christina Sale.
Christina, pangilan po siya?
Number 2.
Number 2. Tama po, tita. Tama po. Pang number 2, second child. Second child, alright. You won yourself a big round of applause. Ganun din po yung napanalunan nyo. Punta po kayo dito para po makuha yung prize nyo. Ayan, kung may representative. Second question. Okay, ito po. Medyo mahirap to kasi kailan ang wedding date nila Kuya Abiling and Ate Lydia? Yung second naman po, iba po, yung iba. Ayun, meron tayong bata na ano doon. Ano, what's your answer? April 23, 1960. Correct. April 23, 1960. Wow. Your memory is good. Your memory is good. Wow. You can still remember that? April 23, 1960. Come over. Congratulations. Oh, what's your name?
Yao Ming.
Yao Ming? I thought it's Yao Ming. Jomil, congratulations, and you have a very good memory. You remember 23rd April 1960. Okay, next question. Ilan pong magkakapatid sila Diche? Ilan pong magkakapatid? Ha? Ito po na. Ilan po? Ilan? Ito pangalan nila?
Hindi posible.
Nelly Apasible. Ilan po?
6.
6 na magkakapatid. Okay po. Nanalo po kayo ng isang gayon. Congratulations! Kasi po yung mga apo nyo gusto yung chocolate. Alam ko yan. Kanina pa nila rin namin yung chocolate. 6 po sila na magkakapatid. Okay, next question. What is the full name of her eldest daughter? Full name of her eldest daughter. Oh, ito po. Ano po? What's your name? Eva.
Bernardita.
Bernardita. Ang pangalan. Bernardita. Ano po? Bernardita.
Mali Apasible.
Perfect! Bernardita Umali Abad. Kalika po kayo dito. Get your prize. Thank you. Bernardita Umali Apasible. Okay. Okay. Next question is next question. Ano po yung trabaho ni Diche dati? Ano po yung trabaho? Ito po, si Mami. Ano po yung trabaho? What's your name?
Aurora Mauricio.
Aurora Mauricio, okay. Ano po? Single?
Married.
Okay, married na po. Ano po? Okay. Single and looking for love. Okay. Alright. Ano po ang trabaho po ni DJ dati?
Mananahe.
Mananahe. Correct po, Ate Lydia. Correct, Mat. Nalo po kayo ng isang singer ng pantahi. Thank you. Okay. Meron po question pa and then we're gonna move on. Kasi meron po tayong symbolic gifts. Okay? So, I would like to call on for those who are listed for the symbolic gifts. Punta lang po tayo dito yung mga nasa, before I move on to the next question. Okay? Tawagin ko po sila. Punta po kayo dito sa tabi ni Ate Eday para sa symbolic gifts sa Pasita Mandy, Aurora Gardenia, Virginia Austria, Remy Torneros, Connie Capasi, Telma Canidaño, Reynaldo Panaquito, Manuel Orda, Robert Estanislao, and Nelia Sibley. So, yung symbolic gifts. Okay, let's proceed to this side, okay? Thank you so much. We are gonna move on to our next question, okay? We're gonna move on to our next questions. Dito sa table na to, meron po kayong answer, ha? Okay, next question. What is the name of Teacher's parents? What is the name of teacher's? Okay. Si Mami yan ito. Mami, ano po pangalan nila?
Angelina Simpa.
Ang halika simpao ko.
Petrosin.
Valentin and Petrosina. Perfect, correct answer. Let's give a big round of applause. Kuhain po natin yung cake na napakaganda. Okay. Alright, we have symbolic gifts from our dear guest as well. Okay. We are gonna start in a little bit about... Una po,